I would like to confirm that Umpile is very much alive. She is well taken care of. Uyadla umntwana, uyageza. The problem is umntwana uthukile because she doesn't know ukuthi ukuphi. She's not familiar with the people anabo. Right. Another thing that I would also like to confirm is that abantu abathatha Umpile, they're very much close to the family. They're very much close in the family ka Umpile. Another thing also that I would like to confirm for you is that umntwana usendaweni called Gamaloka. I don't know where Gamaloka is, but umntwana usendaweni called Gamaloka. There was a deal. Umpile kumele alethwe in exchange of money. So anytime umntwana uzohamba. I've been trying to get hold of umama Umpile. I just can't. I'm hoping that this video gets to her so I can delete it. Ngizamile ukumfuna. I've been given a number to call. I called that number today. Usiso waphendula laphana. She doesn't even know what I'm talking about or who I'm talking about. So that's when I noticed ukuthi cha, there are so many people taking chances la ngaphandle. There are so many people who feel the pain that umama Umpile adlula kuyo. However, as soon as I get hold of umama Umpile, or as soon as umama Umpile gets help, the better. Because now there's been exchange of money in exchange of umzimba Umpile. Umntwana is at a place called Gamaloka. She's alive. She's well taken care of. And also, abantu aba very close to Mama Umpile, they know ukuthi Umpile ukuphi. And I would like to say, I pray and hope that Umpile uyatholakala ngesikhathi si-right, because she cannot be returned back home unless otherwise found. Thokozani.
Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So 2-year-old Umpile Mabusela has been missing for almost 2 weeks now. She is from Limpopo in a small town called Mokopane, villaging Gamabusela, you guys, and she has been missing. Now her grandmother says that she was sleeping with Umpile when she Azora in the AMs wanting to go to the bathroom. Then she took her to the bathroom. She says that Umpile slept, and the next thing in the morning, Umpile was nowhere to be found. She was missing, and the windows of her room were left wide open, you guys. Now, there's been a national search for Umpile for almost 2 weeks now, you guys. There's been, a lot of people who came onto social media. I remember there was this post of this lady saying that she had seen somebody who looked exactly like Umpile called Tembisa, you guys. That was posted 2 weeks ago. Now, this lady did her own reading. She is a medium/prophet than social media. She did her own reading and says that Umpile is very much alive and very much well taken care of and well fed. Now, she claims that Umpile is in a place called Gamaloka, guys. She asked people, where is Gamaloka? Does anybody knows Gamaloka, you guys? Because she says that she can see Umpile there. And the people who took Umpile, according to this lady, are the very same people who are very close to the family, saying that also that money is involved. The people who brought Umpile to the family Gamaloka received remuneration, you guys. And she says that the family who took Umpile has no intentions of bringing Umpile back to her family unless she is found. She pleads with people, those who know Gamaloka, to at least reach out to Umpile's family. She says that she tried calling the number on the poster to speak to Umpile's mother, and the person who picked up on the other side had no idea who Umpile is. She says that it is then that she saw that some things are really not adding up, you guys. Now, Umpile's mother did an interview with Eyewitness News where she says that despite multiple posts on Facebook whereby people tried to clickbait Mpile has not been found. She says that she and the family will be the one telling the public what is happening. You guys, now it has almost been close to 2 weeks, since rather 2-year-old Mpile been missing. Guys, what do you think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video to make sure that you do share it, and please keep Mpile in your prayers so that she may be found and return safely to her family. Guys,
I'm begging with anyone and everyone to stop spreading rumors that Mpile has been found, because she's still missing. Beg that they should wait for us. Surely we will post when she's been found. So they should wait for us. Anything not from us, it's not true. So they should wait and respect us in this difficult time. I'm pleading with everyone. I sometimes wake up and I don't know what to say to God. But for the people who are praying for us out there, their prayers, they keep us going. Sometimes I feel this whole thing, it's taking time and I can't take it anymore. I'm emotionally tired, I'm emotionally drained, but their prayers, I know that some people out there, they are praying for us. So those prayers, they sustain us.